The first year of home ownership is full of changes, excitement, and lots of spending. Just how much spending? Let's take a look at some of the costs that we incurred during our first year in our home. While these items represent a small sample of the things that we spent our money on in the first year, in fact, there was a lot more spending that went down. The total outlay of which was $19,000 in that first year. This was on top of the mortgage payment. From the prior video, we learned that our calculation for our mortgage was $2,605. So this means that $19,000 of spending is the equivalent of 7.6 more monthly payments. Woof. Now I know what you're thinking. There's no way that this is you. But think for a minute. No one ever bought a house and had nothing that they wanted to change. Inevitably, there is going to be some paint or some hardware or furniture that you're going to need to buy. The question is, are you prepared for those additional costs? If you need help figuring this out, just let us know. Give us a call or send us an email. We are always happy to help. We want you to join us. We want you to join the evolution. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button or share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, click the red button below to subscribe. We want you to join us. We want you to join the evolution.